welcome back to the channel, Passion Outdoors. Man, I'm back with a video. Today we about to go on a fishing adventure. You dig? We finna go to the Smith River and we gonna see if we can get a hold to some trout. You dig? Enough with all the talking, but before we hit the road, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you know when I post. We finna go crazy starting now. You dig? Let's get on the road and I'll see y'all at the river. You dig? Let's get it. First little trout, you dig? Rainbow. So y'all can see those pretty colors, bro. Look at it. Looks pretty. Kiss the camera. Hey, you can turn it off now.
Sonic on the track.
Hey guys, man, it's the next day. I just want to go ahead and close this video with, you know what I'm saying? First of all, I want to thank all y'all that, subscribe to the channel and, showing me love, especially on all my other social medias. I do appreciate that. You dig, I really do. But with all that being said, man, we had a great day on the river yesterday. We caught 3, you know what I'm saying? Decent rainbows, nothing too big, nothing too small, average size. They definitely going on a skillet. You dig? I caught those trout on a 6'8" white bird on 6-pound test with the mosquito hook, and I had a bullet weight on there. I can't tell you exactly what size it was, but had only a bullet weight, and it got that little zing, got me out there. But with all that being said, that's what I caught that on with the power bait, garlic, salmon peach was my go-to. Those are the only 2 that I used yesterday that bought those fish in. Of course, the garlic caught more, but that's just how that goes. With all that being said, man, like I said before, appreciate all y'all that subscribe, show me love on all my other social media, and especially on this platform. We finna take off just like all the other social media. You did. We take it platform by platform by platform, one step at a time. You dig? And that's what I'm striving for. So if y'all ain't joined the gang, join the gang. Harrison Outdoors. You dig? You won't be disappointed. I'm out. I'll see y'all in the next video. You dig?